Hey friend, in this video, I actually can't believe I'm giving this away for free, but I am releasing my complete beginner's guide to watercolor ebook. And did I mention it's free? It's amazing. And it's over 40 pages. I had a friend, an artist friend, come over the other day and he was looking through it and he was like, wait, you're giving this away for free? You need to be charging for this. And I was like, no. This is gonna be free, my people deserve it. So it's called The Complete Beginner's Guide to Watercolor. And at the time of recording this and launching this video or releasing this video, we are launching it for the first time into the world. It's also my 10-year business birthday. And I turned 34 in the same week. It's the first week of June-ish. My birthday is June 9th, same as Johnny Depp. So anyway, we are releasing it at the same time of a rebrand to my website. If you've never checked out my website before, you don't know what it looked like before, but it looks super dope bomb is a merge of those two words. Looks super bomb, and we're releasing the Complete Beginner's Guide to Watercolor along with it. So a bunch of fun stuff going on at Jenna Rainey LLC, a lot of fun celebrations. And I wanted to gift you guys, my community, my audience, people who have been following me for years or just started following me today even, support back at you guys, because I wouldn't be able to have this channel, my Patreon, my online courses, traveling the world with my art retreats and all of that, my watercolor books. I wouldn't be able to have that stuff if it wasn't for your support. So yes, this ebook is pages and pages and pages. It took me months to create and write. My operations manager proofreading and uploading and doing all the back end stuff with the email list. And so it took a lot of effort, took a lot of time for not just me, but for my whole team. Yes, I could charge for it, but because of the support that I've received over the years, I had to give this for free and give you some sort of gift in return for all the support. And even just watching one video of ours, it really does make a difference, because that one video is a ripple and adds to all the other ones. Thank you so much for the support over the years, the support and love. Here is my gift to you. Make sure you check it out. It will be available on my website, and we'll link to it in this video. And what you will find inside will be a breakdown on supplies. So if you want the specific supplies that I use, but also want to know why I use them, what to look out for if you want to check out your own supplies and you're maybe art supply shopping and have no clue what to look for, I break down shape, style, hair, all that kind of stuff, and all of the different techniques that you can get with different brushes, different paints, different paper. And then we move into color theory and techniques. So I go really in depth on wet and wet technique, wet on dry, color theory, and all of that stuff. And then I break down a few different styles of painting in depth, kind of step-by-step style, similar to my watercolor books, but different paintings than what's in my watercolor books. And one of the coolest features of this book is we used QR codes. I'm like a QR code freak right now. And so I basically wanted to create a handbook so that if you are new to my channel or new to watercolor, or you're not new, you're just, trying to categorize and organize different watercolor videos so that if you want to go back and look at something or whatever, this book has it all encapsulated and organized in a way so that if you want to watch technique videos, or you want to watch floral videos, or you want to watch color theory videos, I have QR codes organized by chapter and section within the book. So it's basically a resource to, does she have a video on this? I'm going to check out this video. Or where's that video on Complete Beginner's Guide to Watercolor? Or where's this video on technique this and that? So it's a very fun resource. It's going to be a great tool to come back to. So bookmark it once you have it, bookmark it on your computer. So then you can just click a little button and then it pops up and you can read it. You can even print it out if you want to. So check it out. We'll have it available on my website. We'll also link to it in this video. So in order to get this, again, it'll be on my website. We'll link to it in this video. All we need is your email of where to send the ebook. So if you don't receive the email after signing up, maybe check your spam or reach out to us at hello@jennarainey.com. Sometimes my emails get sent to spam, so check that just in case. And if you do get it, make sure you primary list me or star the email or reply to the email so you don't lose this email. We get emailed all the time from people who want freebies from us or receive their freebie downloads maybe months ago and then reach out to us because they can't find it. It gets lost in their inbox. So make sure you either hit that star button so you know where it's at, or You primary list my email address, add it to your favorites, whatever it is, so you don't lose access to this freebie because again, it's going to be a wonderful resource to help you grow with your watercolor art and painting skills forever and ever. Amen. So thank you again for all the love and support. Again, this is why I'm doing this, why I'm releasing this very in-depth, amazing ebook and tool for free, is because all of your love and support. So thank you again for watching our videos, for subscribing, for downloading this ebook, and for all the engagement. It really means the world. It shows so much love and support and helps this channel grow, which helps us to create more tutorials and more resources and education for you guys for free. So thank you once again. I hope you love it, and I will see you in the next video.